Meaning of elision.
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 Elision. Elision refers to the omission of a sound or syllable in speech or writing, usually for the sake of efficiency or euphony. It is common in many languages and can occur in various contexts, such as when words are combined, repeated, or pronounced rapidly. Elision can result in changes to the rhythm, melody, and meaning of a sentence, and it can also reflect cultural or regional differences in pronunciation and style. Overall, elision is an important aspect of language that affects how we communicate and perceive meaning in everyday life.